Hello student, good morning. Most welcome to the Rita Das classes. I request all the new viewers to please subscribe my channel. Today I am going to teach you the first chapter of class 9th. The topic is The Lost Child, which is written by Mulk Raz Anand. First of all, we have to know about the writer Mulk Raz Anand, who was born 12th December 1905, Peshawar, India, and he was the prominent Indian author of short novels, short stories, and critical essays in English, who is known for his realistic and sympathetic portrayal of the poor in India. He is considered a founder of the English language Indian novel, and he was died September 28th, 2004. After the writer, we have to know about the introduction of the lesson. The Lost Child is the story of a small child who gets lost in a fair. He had gone with his parents to the fair but loses them when he gets engrossed in looking at a roundabout swing. The story highlights the bond of love and affection that the child shared with his parents. Before losing them, he had been demanding different things like sweets, balloons, flowers, swings, etc. Once he loses them, he is picked up by strangers. The strangers try to quieten the child by offering him all these things that he had demanded from his parents, but the child does not want them anymore. He wants his parents first. After that introduction, we have to know the title of the lesson. The Lost Child described an episode in the life of a child who gets lost in a fair. All the incidents in the story we are about this child. The writer focuses his attention on the contrast in the behavior of the child before and after getting lost. The writer's understandings of the psychology of little children, especially during the absence of their parents, is reflected in this story. Hence, the title is very appropriate or perfect. After the title, we have to now know about the explanation of the lesson. And it was the time of the spring, and the child was going to the fair with his parents. At the time of going, he was very excited, and some people were also going to the fair. Some walked, some rode on horses, some in bullock carts, and the little child who was going with his parents. He was very much overjoyed, and at the time of going, he saw the toy shop, and he was very much excited by seeing the toys, and he wanted to buy it. But his father just stared him with his red eyes, and his mother just saw him towards other things. And after that, he was going to the fair, and before reaching, he saw one mustard field, and it was full of the mustard flower, and the field looked golden color. And he also saw the dragonflies which were fluttering over the mustard flowers, and the child tried to catch one of the dragonflies, but he was called by his mother. At the time of going, he was lagging behind, and because he saw the many things and which were attracted to him, and he was called by his parents, come, come. At last he saw and he heard the sound of the dog. He had picked up the petals in the grove, then he also ran round the banyan tree, but again he was called by his parents. And the child the parents reached the fair. Soon the child reached the fair. He heard the sweet maker seller calling gulab jamun, rasgulla, barfi, jalebi. The sweet shop was greatly decorated with different sweets. Seeing the sweets, the child's mouth was watered, and he said himself that he wanted the barfi. Barfi was his favorite sweet, but his saying so was unheeded by his parents. Various scenes of the fair was seen by the child. The child went to the ahead with his parents, and he heard a flower seller saying a garland of gulmohar. The child went to the flower basket. He wanted a garland, but he knew his parents would refuse to buy him that. So he moved on. Then he saw a balloon seller. He had balloon of various color. The child knew his parents would not buy him a balloon, so he walked further. After that the child saw the snake charmer. He was playing a flute to the snake. He went near the snake charmer, but he knew that his parents had asked him not to hear such music. So he went ahead. Then he saw a merry-go-round. Man, woman, children, etc. were enjoying a ride on it. The child called, and he was also interested to ride on the swing. And at last he did not just stopped himself, and he shouted that I want to go on the roundabout. Please, father, mother. But there was no reply. The child had been lost. The child in a very bad condition. A full deep cry rose within the child's deep throat, and he was searching everywhere his parents, but he could not find. And then he ran to a shrine. There was a big crowd there. The child went a bit ahead between his people's feet, but he was pushed back. At last a man heard his cry. He lifted him up in his arms. The man tried to locate the child's parents. The man asked the child how he got there. He also asked him the names of his parents, but the child only said, I want my father, I want my mother. The man took the child to the merry-go-round and asked him if he wanted to ride on the horse, but the child said only that he wanted his mother, he wanted his father. Then the man asked him if he would take a balloon, but the child sobbed and sobbed. He wanted his father and mother only. The child is taken to the flower seller and the sweet meat shop also. The man then took the child to the flower seller and asked him to take but the child only said that he only wanted his mother and father. But at last the child was lost, and he did not get, and he was with the man only. After the explanation of the lesson, we have to know the summary of these lessons, and the summary is there was a child, and here also some difficult words are written and collected by me. So dear students, you have to screenshot it and note down in your copy and learn it. After the difficult words, we have to know about the summary of the lessons. And in the summary, there was a boy and a child, and he was going with his parents to a fair. On their way to the fair, the child saw a toy shop and asked his parents to buy him a toy. But his father stared at him, and he understood the father's silent no. Then he diverted his mind. His mother's called him up to the mustard field. The child saw various things on his way to the fair, such as insects, dogs, butterflies, and so on. In the fair also he sees various things such as sweets, balloons, but he did not request his parents because he knew what would be the reply of his parents. So he murmured and moved on. On reaching the roundabout, he could not resist himself and made a bold request, saying that he wanted to go on the roundabout. And when he turned back for the reply, his mother and fathers were not there. He was confused and ran here and there. He ran to Sreen and fell down. It was then that kind man came to help him. He offered him everything that he wanted earlier, but the child refused and cried for his parents. This shows that the child's parents were the center and the meaning of his life, and all the luxuries in the world were meaningless to him without his parents. The writer has kept the story ending open, and we may assume that the child met his parents later, as he was not the only one who was finding his parents, but his parents were also finding him. And after the summary, we have to know the message of the story. The story conveys the message that children love their parents unconditionally. The lost child thinks of his father as a strict person. When he demanded toys from him, he did not praise his parents for sweets or garlands extra because he accepted that they will never grant him his wish. However, he gets scared when he realizes that he is lost. He cried inconsolably for his parents and forgets all about his carving for sweets, garlands, snake charmers, so, and even the ride on a roundabout. This message of the story makes the reader understand the worth of parents in the life of a child. And dear students, here the question answers of these lessons are written here, so you have to note down in your copy and learn it. After the question answers, the conclusion of the lesson is that parents are the most important for the child. When the child was with his parents, he did not realize their importance. When he lost their parents, then he knew what was the importance of the parents. Thank you.